Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the day, checking Lil'Red suspension. And man, there's some play in here somewhere. I think the ball joint's worn out on this one. So I'm probably going to replace these control arms real quick. A new control arm here with the steering bump stop. Got these from Swedish car parts. They have their own heavy duty control arm. This one here, as you can see, the ball joint is gone and the bushing's torn here. Volvo arm finally done. One of the things I like about the Swedish car part control arms and most of the suspension stuff you get from them, you also get the hardware. That stuff's important. Those stretch to yield bolts, I've seen them break. So it's good to have that in there. You ain't got to guess where you're supposed to get it, what size, all that stuff comes with the part. Lil'Red has got issues with her rotors. Zimmerman rotors, put them on 2016. Man, that thing's almost giving us whiplash. So I am going to replace the left one, take it for a test drive. If it's still pulsating, replace the right one. I've never done that before. However, these rotors have a lifetime warranty on them from the company that offers that. So I'm going to contact them tomorrow and start the process on getting them replaced. Warranty's kind of complicated. For one, you don't got the parts when you need them because you got to mail order them. Two, when I'm passing through town, that's difficult. Three, you got to buy a set, then get refunded. So let me replace this one I bought locally that has a 2-year warranty, and then get those in, and next time I see the vehicle, I'll replace both. But I may have to replace both now. Let's see what happens. As crazy as this sounds, just replaced that one rotor and all that steering wheel shaking has stopped. So I'm gonna order the 2 from the warranty company and replace them next month. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.